When we speak with customers today, it's really about how do they build for the change that is about to come.
Moving to cloud and using SaaS products is a hallmark of modern work.
We try to stay ahead of teams' needs through a variety of sources. First is listening to customers and observing both quantitatively and qualitatively how they're using our products.
Earning their loyalty well into the future so that they grow with you. We've been on this journey for almost 18 years now. So we live in a multiverse of software, and it's important for different kinds of software to be able to work well with one another. And our ecosystem is focused on that.
With cloud, our users don't really have to bother about hosting infrastructure, managing their tools. They're free to focus on their core mission, which is to serve their own customers. We believe that the best way to unleash teamwork is to make sure that we reduce all other distractions and burden on our end users and help them work better with their own teams.
Atlassian really only shifted to the cloud ourselves, like in the last 2 to 3 years. Since we've gone through it recently, we understand some of the same pain that our customers have. Our own internal use of apps had to change. Those surprises that we went through turned out to be product changes that we would be doing for cloud.
Early on, customers were telling us, hey, why do I need to pay for my server while I'm migrating to the cloud? It takes me several months to do that, and now I have to pay for both. So that's why we introduced the extended cloud trials that they can migrate over to without having to double pay for that.
We put heavy emphasis in research on how teams are working, how that's changing over time.
We want to reduce the amount of subjectivity in decision making that we do, and especially when it comes to users and customers. If we have that voice of the users in terms of who they are, what they need, and how we can better serve them, that can lead to better decisions.
But we also want to move beyond that to be the personification of our brand and our company values in being open, and to be a place where customers can co-create with us, where we can turn our brand advocates today that we have through the community to be these multipliers on our behalf.
The amount of people we touch with our Atlassian products is huge, and so working with an amazing team, having a big impact in the world, that's the best part.
Like all transformational changes, moving to the cloud is much more of a cultural change than it is just a tools and technology change. It's not just about going forth into the future with courage, but having the love and patience and helping them see the bigger picture of why this change is important.